Did you know Har Ghar Tiranga campaign generated business of rupees 500 crore? Yes, you heard it right. As India celebrated the 75th Independence Day on August 15th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi call for his Har Ghar Tiranga was widely adopted by the countrymen. Of more than 30 crore national flags generated about rupees 500 crores in revenue. The trade leaders added that Har Ghar Tiranga movement has demonstrated the capacity and capabilities of Indian business people who produced more than 30 crore tricolors in a record of 20 days in order to meet the astronomical demand of the people. To let you know, more than 10 lakh individuals in the nation now have jobs because of the flag law reform, since they can now make Tiranga flags at home or in small facilities. The annual selling of the Indian tricolor during Independence Day celebrations was previously limited to about $150 to $200 million. A vast number of Indian flags were reproduced in a very organized manner by the SME manufacturing and trading sector, working day and night.